Bitter Arctic winds sweep across the desolate factory exterior, a stark monument against the unforgiving, snow-laden landscape.
The harsh exterior gives way to the promise of shelter, but the cold's grip remains palpable.
The raw, frozen hide enters the warmth of the factory, a stark contrast to the icy world it left behind.
This is where the Arctic hide begins its transformation into something new.
These workers carefully extract frozen reindeer hides from crates, a vital step in their transformation. The frigid hides, newly extracted from their icy slumber, exhale a visible breath into the factory's embrace. The untamed beauty of the wild is revealed in the intricate patterns of the thick winter fur.
The sorting tables fill with categorized hides, each a testament to the harsh environment from which it came.
The workers meticulously assess the quality and thickness of each reindeer hide. The cold air clings to the hides, but careful hands work to reveal the quality beneath. The workers meticulously trim the rough edges, preparing the hides for further processing. Worker_1 guides the hides towards the wash station, a crucial step in their transformation. The rhythmic turning of the massive steel drums signals the next stage of the hide processing. The workers meticulously prepare the hides, a crucial step in the tanning process.
The rhythmic thuds speak of the hide's transformation within the drum's metallic heart.
The water recedes, revealing the softened hides, ready for the next stage of their transformation. The conveyor belts carry the wet hides onward through the processing stages. The slow, deliberate process continues, each drop a testament to the transformation. A trimming machine removes unusable parts, a critical step in preparing the hides. The true test of quality lies in the hands. Here, our artisans meticulously examine the hydraulic press exerts immense pressure, transforming the hide's form. The press releases its grip, revealing the transformed hide, ready for inspection. The automated cutter shapes the hide edges with mechanical precision, guided by the watchful eyes of the workers. The precision of the blades ensures a flawless finish, a testament to focused craftsmanship. Dull thuds signal the start of a new, repetitive process in the workshop. The peeling machine initiates its cycle, lifting the outer layers with precision. As the massive hydraulic arms engage, the pressure is precisely adjusted. The readouts confirm as the hydraulic arms engage the material, the blades slice smoothly, demonstrating unparalleled precision. The macro texture of the material begins to form under precise machinery, observed by attentive workers. The craftsman's touch refines the raw output, preparing it for the next critical stage of development. Machines operate in perfect rhythm, a testament to precise engineering and constant vigilance. The relentless pressure of the plates continues the vital process of flattening the hides. The relentless machinery works to perfect the material, ensuring flawless results. The craftsman's skill transforms the raw material, refining its surface with practiced precision. The craftsman's steady hand ensures every edge is perfectly refined, a testament to skill. The meticulous cleaning process ensures the hide is perfectly prepared for the next stage of creation. The first precise cut reveals the true potential of the processed hide. The fibers shift,
settling into a uniform pattern, a testament to the careful hand guiding them.
Warm mist gently readies the hides for their next crucial transformation. Hides are carefully hung, ensuring even exposure to the mist for consistent processing.
Steam fills the tunnels, preparing the hides for their next transformation.
The process demands precision as the hides undergo their heated transformation. The critical transformation is underway, a testament to years of refined process.
The vats churn gently, a subtle transformation beginning within the murky depths. The hides are submerged under weighted bars, ensuring a thorough soaking process. The water, a silent medium, carries the story of transformation.
The process transforms raw material into pliable leather, ready for the craftsman's touch.
The hides are pulled taut, their fibers stretched to their limit.
The voiceover mentions improved flexibility as the material is worked. The tension arms expand the hides further, enhancing their flexibility.
The gentle hum of drying fans creates an airy ASMR, a subtle symphony of progress.
The process demands patience, as the air itself becomes a tool in shaping the material.
Heat lamps cure the surfaces.
The process of curing is a delicate balance of heat and time, transforming raw material into something new.
The workers meticulously test the hide's elasticity, a crucial step in the curing process. Automated arms meticulously handle the hides, a testament to evolving industrial processes.
The craftsman carefully blends pigments, transforming raw powders into vibrant, life-giving hues.
Precision nozzles now begin to mist thin layers of vibrant pigment onto the vast expanse of the hide.
In slow motion, the pigment seeps into the fibers, transforming the raw material into something truly unique. The craftsman's patient hands coax beauty from the raw material, a timeless dance of skill and substance.
The artisan's eye for detail is unmatched, transforming raw material into art. The artisan carefully applies oil, enhancing the hide's natural beauty. The worker meticulously conditions the leather, ensuring its longevity and suppleness.
Quality control is paramount. By flexing the treated hide under intense light, the inspector can reveal even the most subtle imperfections in the grain.
The focus here is on the unseen details, where quality is truly forged. The hide glides effortlessly under the precision cutter, a testament to practiced skill. The steady hum of the polishing wheels underscores the relentless pursuit of perfection in every detail.
Worker_1 meticulously inspects the leather, ensuring every detail meets the highest standard.
The laser scanner precisely maps every microscopic flaw, a testament to the material's intricate detail.
Worker_1 meticulously brushes away fine debris, preparing the leather for the next critical stage.
The meticulous process concludes with a final inspection, ensuring every detail meets exacting standards.
The camera examines the exquisite detail of the finished leather, a testament to skilled hands. Macro pores catch subtle light, revealing the hide's intricate beauty. The leather must be perfect. Every grain, every subtle imperfection tells a story. The mark of quality, pressed with precision, ensures the hide meets exacting standards. The hides are moved to the crafting area for further processing.
Under the skylight's glow, the intricate process begins. Every cut is deliberate, a testament to the skill.
All layers are assembled with great care, focusing on exact placement and alignment with the chalk guidelines.
Needles stitch clean lines.
With practiced hands, they press their mark, a logo of quality formed by heat and pressure.
The light catches the meticulous buffing, revealing the rich texture and flawless finish of the crafted leather. The artisans meticulously join straps and edges, their skilled hands shaping the material with practiced precision.
The steady rhythm of their hands ensures every stitch locks tightly into the grain.
The artisans skillfully shape the material, their blades cutting final, precise forms.
Hardware attaches with a soft click.
The final touches are applied by hand, ensuring perfection before completion.
The final polish brings a remarkable shine to the artifact, a testament to meticulous work.
A tight macro shot reveals the intricate texture of the reindeer artifact. The subtle variations and patterns.
The craftsman's skilled hands meticulously examine every detail of the ancient artifact.
In the quiet workshop, meticulous hands ensure perfection, a testament to enduring craft.
The finished artifacts are carefully presented on their velvet pedestals, awaiting their final inspection. The camera glides along a meticulously arranged collection of luxury goods.
The craftsman's touch refines the artifact, each stroke a testament to dedication.
Witness the delicate dance of thread and needle, a testament to unparalleled skill.
The intricate Arctic patterns, often inspired by the aurora borealis, require meticulous attention to detail.
The light reveals the subtle variations in the wood's grain, a testament to its natural beauty.
Precision is paramount. As the finished piece is prepared for boxing, the focus remains on its flawless design and meticulous craftsmanship.
Worker_1 gently takes a folded soft fabric liner from a neat stack, preparing it for placement.
The process demands meticulous care. From the initial inspection to the final seal, every step ensures the product's integrity.
Final cloth wipes surfaces clean. The camera follows the boxes as they are carefully moved to the display room.
The final collection is revealed, a testament to meticulous craftsmanship and dedication.
The craftsmanship is evident in every polished facet. The world reveals its secrets in the finest details, a testament to dedicated craftsmanship.
The full spectrum of their latest creations, meticulously displayed for final assessment.
Here we see the culmination of months of work. The interaction between the walnut base and the flowing bronze is simple.
A slow, deliberate rotation reveals the intricate grain patterns, accentuated by the soft, warm.
The narrative thread is as vital as the one being examined, a testament to enduring skill.
After weeks of meticulous effort, the final arrangement stands complete, ready for the master's inspection. The artisan craftsman's experienced eyes scan the display, a silent approval of the rich quality.
Witness the alchemy of creation, where rough hide transforms into exquisite luxury.
The meticulous presentation ensures every detail is appreciated. the culmination of skill and dedication, a testament to enduring craftsmanship.
The hum of industry underscores the meticulous work, a symphony of creation unfolding.
The ambient sounds of industry create a subtle symphony, highlighting the meticulous nature of the craft.
The final polish strokes are applied with practiced, gentle care. The meticulous grain shimmer, a testament to the artisan's touch.
Precision is key in the final stages of assembly. He ensures every component meets the exact specifications before moving to calibration.
The presentation table is prepared with utmost care, ensuring every detail is perfect. He ensures the final product meets the highest standards of symmetry and design, a testament to true craftsmanship. A comprehensive overview before we delve into the specifics. Notice the perfect alignment, a testament to meticulous craft. Here, light is not merely illumination. It is the key to unlocking the subtle color gradients and the rich, tactile quality of the embossed finish.
The camera executes a tight close-up on intricate symbols. Worker_1 observes.
He scrutinizes the product, his experienced eyes seeking any flaw, a testament to his dedication.
Here at the facility, we take pride in the meticulous application of every label, ensuring quality and precision across the assembly line.
The meticulous process of sealing boxes ensures quality and readiness for shipment.
The steady rhythm of production, a symphony of efficiency, continues its relentless march.
In our state-of-the-art facility, meticulous care is taken with every product. From the initial inspection of the package,
The delicate touch of experienced hands reveals the intricate beauty of the material.
The narrator provides context, while the characters remain silent, their lips closed. The meticulous inspection of fine details reveals the product's superior craftsmanship and quality. Final lineup, presented under the Arctic toned lights. Meticulous observation ensures the metallic finish and alignment meet the highest standards. Here at the heart of the facility, precision meets perfection. Our finalized lineup represents the pinnacle.
The vast factory hums with the silent dedication of its workforce, a symphony of precision and purpose. In this vast factory, luxury is meticulously crafted, examined with quiet reverence by those who understand its value. A culmination of skill, bathed in the light of perfection.
The pullback reveals the dedication behind perfection, a silent testament to craftsmanship. The soft ASMR fades, leaving a profound silence in its wake.
The culmination of their efforts, a testament to precision and passion. Culmination of their efforts, a testament to precision and passion.